Hello my dear friends, I'm Dr. Veena Patel, and while uploading all these videos for you, I read all the comments that you do in that under that video, alright? So one of the students, I think external student, has requested me to upload a video on TYBA. As a external student, she spoke me to upload a video on the syllabus of TYBA for external, right? So I'm gonna to share with you that syllabus. Please watch it if you are studying in as an external student for TYBA, all right? So please listen me carefully and write down, because I'm not going to share with you any kind of PPT, but it is a live video I'm recording. So I'm reading your syllabus and you will have to write it down in your notebook, alright? So syllabus for foundation course in English, TYBA or BCom, annual pattern. It is because this is the syllabus of external students, alright? For the academic years 2019, 20, 20 to 21 and 21 to 22, alright? So please, your title is Language Through Literature, that is also known as LTL. So you will have to check that if you are seated in your examination hall and some supervisor has distributed the question paper that is in your hand, is it LTL or something else, all right? So you will have to check it. So I am going to read the whole syllabus, so please pay attention. Wait a moment. The textbook is Elixir, right? Into which there are many units you will have to study through the whole year. I think there are 4 units to be studied. Alright, so first unit is prose, second is poetry, third is grammar, and fourth is communication skill. That is the final unit. In prose, you have to study 6 prose. First prose is The Child. Second prose, Values in Life. Third prose, Introduction to the Right to Information Act 2005. Fourth, The Hazards of Food Coloring. Fifth, The Kabuliwala. Sixth, My Lost Dollar. Now Unit B. Unit B is on poetry. And how many poetry you have to study? 6 poetry are there. First of all, Bengal Sailors. Second, A Psalm of Life. Third, O Captain, My Captain. Fourth, The Quality of Mercy. Fifth, Father Returning Home. Sixth, The World is Too Much With Us. So these are the 6 poetry you will have to study at your own. Third unit is on grammar, into which there will be 2 chapters. First one is on transformation of sentences, into which it may be you will have to transform the sentence in from active into passive, or from direct into indirect speech, all right, or whatever, but you will have to transform the given sentence into something else. The instruction will be there in bracket, right? Second chapter is on correction of sentences. False sentences you will be given and you will have to correct them. Unit 4, communication skills you will have to study, into which 3 topics are there. First topic is on everyday English part 1. Second topic is curriculum vitae, CV, what we known as. Number 3 is on formal letters, letter to a bank manager about change of address. These are the examples, right? Letter written to make a business inquiry and complaint, or letter of resignation. These are the 3 topics given. I repeat, you will have to learn about them. What are they? Letter to a bank manager about change of address. If you are changing your address, you will inform the bank manager that my address has been changed. You please notice it, and whatever document if you are going to send us, please send us on my new address, right? So this is the information only. And second letter is on letter written to make a business inquiry and complaint. Business inquiry and complaint means about prices which we can't afford, all right? Or we want to know something, we want to buy something. You are inquiring about a thing that you are going to purchase from somewhere, this kind of letter. Or complaint that you have already purchased the thing and you don't like it, some fault is there. So you are complaining to its giver, to its seller, all right? So that kind of letter you will have to learn. And another type of letter is letter of resignation. Suppose you were working somewhere in office, and you are going to resign from that job and want to make a new job, right? Want to attend a new job, want to select a new job. So you are resigning from somewhere. So you will have to write a letter of resignation. So these are the 3 topics that you will have to learn. They are given here. Now I am going to telling you about paper style of your yearly examination, question paper style and distribution of marks, right? So first question will be on short answer questions. You will have to write any 5 out of 7. 20 marks will be applied. And those short answer questions will be asked from unit 1 and 2, which I have already discussed right now, prose and poetry. Am I right? So how many prose are there and how many poetry are there? 6 prose and poetry are there, total 12, all right? So please see that 12, all of them exercises, all right? If you take one poetry, see its exercise, how many questions are there. If you take second poetry, see its exercise, how many short questions are there. Alright, in 2 or 4 sentences you will have to write an answer. So first question is about unit 1 and 2. Alright, short answer question. Second question is on long answer questions. A or B will be given, options will be given, and 20 marks it carries. From unit 1 only, you will have to write a long question. 2 options will be given, A or B, and you will have to write only one long question, alright? And 20 marks. And it is from unit 1, that means prose, I think, alright? Please check it. Next, question 3. Question 3, long answer question, A or B from unit 2. And what is unit 2? Unit 2 is about poetry. 6 poetry are there. Any one poetry, any second poetry will be asked. You will have to write a long question on poetry. 20 marks it carry, right? Now, question 4A Question 4A will be on cover letter with CV, A or B. You are not a regular students, otherwise professors teach them cover letter. Yes, my video is also there on cover letter. You can see it, all right. So you will learn a better way how to write a cover letter. You can search on my video section. So in question 4A, you will have to write a cover letter with CV, A or B. Two options will be given. Both of them, you will have to write a cover letter, you will have to write a CV. Alright, it is not optional, cover letter or CV, it is not optional. In A, there will be both. You will have to write a cover letter, then a CV. In B too, if you select, there will be cover letter and there will be CV. In both the options, you will have to write both cover letter and a CV. 12 marks it carry. Question 4B now. Question 4B is on formal letter A or B. Okay, formal letter, that means official letters, letters of applications, right, etc. etc. So it carry 8 marks. Next, question 5A, everyday English 1, A or B. You are given in your textbook, there is a chapter everyday English part 1, part 2, alright. So everyday English part 1, from that you will be asked A or B, 10 marks. And question 5B, grammar from unit 3, 10 you will have to choose out of 12 items and 10 marks it carry. Alright, so this is the paper style for external students of TYBA. Alright, total 100 marks. So please, I have helped you whatever that external student was requesting me, and please watch my video on cover letter too, alright, if I can be helpful to you, alright. So I am skipping this video now, I am ending this video. Okay, thank you.